In this session, let us learn about HTML SVG graphics. SVG defines vector-based graphics in XML format. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics. SVG is used to define graphics for the web. SVG is a W3C recommendation. The HTML SVG element. The HTML SVG element is a container for SVG graphics. SVG has several methods for drawing paths, boxes, circles, text and graphic images. SVG circle. See the code and result. SVG width 100, height 100, circle CX 50, CY 50, R 40, stroke green, stroke width 4, fill yellow. See here, by writing and executing this code, now we are creating SVG circle. SVG rectangle. See same like that above. Now we are creating rectangle. See style fill RGB, stroke width 10, RGB 3, 5, 59, 3, 59, 12. See by writing and executing this code, now we are creating SVG rectangle. SVG rounded rectangle. See here, by writing and executing this code, now we are creating SVG rounded rectangle. This is the code and the result here. SVG star. See here, by writing polygon points 100, 10, 40, 198, 190, 70, 10, 78, 160, 198. See by style filling this using these codes. By writing and executing this code, now we are creating SVG star here. SVG logo. See now we are creating logo here. See here, linear gradient, stop, offset 0%, style, offset, style, stop, color. See here, ellipse, text. By writing and executing this code, now we are creating SVG logo. Difference between SVG and Canvas. SVG is a language for describing 2D graphics in XML. Canvas draws 2D graphics on the fly with a JavaScript. SVG is XML based, which means that every element is available within the SVG DOM. You can attach JavaScript event handlers for an element. In SVG, each drawn shape is remembered as an object. If attributes of an SVG object are changed, the browser can automatically re-render the shape. Canvas is rendered pixel by pixel. In Canvas, once the graphics is done, it is forgotten by the browser. If its position should be changed, the entire scene needs to be redone, including any objects that might have been covered by the graphics. Comparison of Canvas and SVG. The table below shows some important differences between Canvas and SVG. See Canvas, resolution dependent. SVG, resolution independent. No support for event handlers. Support for event handlers. Poor text rendering capabilities. Best suited for applications with large rendering areas. Google Maps. Well suited for graphics intensive games. Not suited for game applications. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 61, HTML SVG. In next video, let us learn about another topic, HTML multimedia. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.